say, there's an FSV coming. You better watch your back.
All right, down with, I've got lights.
We understand the constraints and limitations of cars on the road because most of us drive. A typical scene at a zebra crossing shows the ease with which a driver can see a pedestrian, giving ample time to slow down and stop. But what would be the case if we obscure the driver's vision like this and asked him to repeat the manoeuvre? Any pedestrian attempting to cross now would be committing suicide. In our minds today, we have a similar set of circumstances, not with cars, but with free-steered vehicles. FSV is much the same as a car, can kill or maim instantly. They are dangerous machines, and underground you could almost liken them to a wild animal. Here's an FSV travelling a roadway underground. Let's make it more realistic and add some equipment in the roadway and an uneven floor. And for good measure, we'll have it carrying a powered support. The driver can see very little and has enough to think about without the added complication of pedestrians. Let's go back to the opening scene. Why did this accident happen? What could have been done to prevent it? If we sat in the driver's seat, maybe we'd have a better idea. His vision is almost totally obscured by the vehicle and its load. He didn't really have a chance. The only area he could see was just this narrow strip. Looking from above, you can now understand the problem. In order to prevent such accidents, we must adopt a strict safety code on FSV roads. You should first try to avoid travelling FSV roads if at all possible. If you must, then inform an official and be constantly alert. Don't approach a moving FSV. Signal the driver to stop and pass by only when the FSV is stationary and the driver knows you're there. If you have to work in an FSV road, even for short periods, mark your position with reflective poles. Respect the FSV for what it is and appreciate the driver's problems. Don't assume the driver can see you. Make your presence known. These simple precautions could save your life.